Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Crypto Miner Tycoon. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Crypto Miner Tycoon is a idle simulation game that immerses you in the world of cryptocurrency mining. It's available on Android, iOS and PC. The game pretty much allows you to build and manage a virtual crypto empire. So to go ahead and download it and install it, go to your Play or App Store. Click on download, install, and then go ahead and click on the play button. Once you've done that, just turning the music off here so I can do this tutorial a bit better. All right, then you'll be taken to this page. So a quick rundown of the gameplay overview. So you can mine cryptocurrencies. So you can begin by mining popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So in order to do that, just keep tapping on Ethereum to keep collecting. Then you want to, so it says here, level up ETH to increase its profit. So go ahead and level it up and then keep tapping on ETH or Bitcoin, whichever one, and then upgrade again. So you just pretty much keep tapping. And as you tap, you can see your investments keep on climbing. So if I keep tapping, you can see it's climbing. So I'm just going to keep tapping. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep going till we can open up these NFTs. All right, so then from here, once you get to a certain stage, it's time to expand. So you can buy this NFT here. So go ahead and click onto it, and then it will say level up faster using the multiplier here. So we can go ahead and click on max, and then just keep tapping on everything here, like so, and we can keep on clicking on it. When it turns yellow, we can level up. So go like that, bang, bang. I'm going to keep tapping these until we can open up a mining farm. And also with your money here, your money can upgrade these things. I've got 550, so I can upgrade my NFT like so, and I can upgrade my ETH, and you see the money gets taken away as you do so. All right, so now it's tired of pressing buttons, you can buy this manager. So you can hire managers to automate tasks and increase efficiency. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the manager, and the first one we can grab on is this one here, Clark. So I'm going to call on Clark, and you can see your income increasing because you got this manager. So if we click out of that, you can see it's increasing here. So as you increase and upgrade things, your money's going to increase a lot faster as you climb down this chain here, you could say. All right, so to open up a crypto wallet, you've got to have at least $8,640. Here it is here, I can open it up. And then a smart contract is going to be $103,000. And also on the bottom of the screen here, we can tap on these icons to make it a bit more efficient. I'm almost up to the stage to buy a smart contract. So here it is here, it's just open up. So I'm going to click onto that. A few tips for success. So you need to save frequently. So regularly save your game, especially before making significant investments or trades, to safeguard against potential setbacks. And also avoid unnecessary expenses. So be cautious with your spending. Only purchase equipment and upgrades when necessary to prevent depleting your funds. Also, as your operation grows, plan for scaling up your infrastructure, including power supply, cooling systems, and staffing to support larger mining facilities.